video description. When you sign up for an Altium Designer free trial, you will get an Altium 365 and 25% off discount. Hello and welcome to a new lesson. Today we will learn how to design a PCB in Altium Designer. The circuit that we want to build is a GPS tracker. So we will start from schematic to a PCB, and finally we will get a 3D view like this. So let's get started. First we will create a new project. So we will go to File, New, Project, then we will change the project name to GPS Tracker. Then we will select the folder, then hit create. Now we want to create a PCB and schematic files. Then we will save the two files to the same project file. Now we want to install the libraries. So we will go to SnapIDE website and download the libraries. The first library that we want is an ESP32. So we will search. After that, we want to download the GPS library. Now we will install the library, so double click to the library and extract. Then we will open the schematic and the PCB. Then we will add a footprint to the schematic. From browse, then OK. After that we will remove the empty one from the schematic. Then we will add the schematic to the schematic library and the PCB to the PCB library. And close that. Then we will add the 3D model to the footprint. From place, 3D body, and hit open. Then drag it here. Now we want to rotate the ESP32 to align the footprint. So we will go from properties, then rotate, now we will drag it to the footprint. Ctrl F to flip the board. Now we want to increase the height, so from properties we will increase the height to 160. Then we will install the GPS library, so double click to the library, then extract. Now we will open the schematic and the PCB. Then we will add the footprint to the schematic, browse, then we will select the folder and OK. After that, we want to remove the empty one. Now we want to add the 3D model to the footprint. So from place, 3D body, then select the model and open. We will drag it here, and from view we will select the 3D layout mode. Now we want to flip the model to align the pads and the footprint. So from properties we will flip the board. Now we will drag it to the footprint. After that, we will take the PCB file and drag it to the PCB library and the schematic to the schematic library. Then we will delete that. Now we will start from schematic circuit. So we will get all the components we need. First, we need the ESP32 and the GPS module. Then we will connect the component together. If you want to know any information about any component in the circuit, you have to go to Octopart website and read the datasheet of that component. Now we want to convert the schematic circuit to a PCB. So we will go to Design, Update PCB document, then Validate the changes, then Execute, then Close. Now we want to select the component and drag it to the workspace. Then we will delete the room and rearrange the component. Now we want to change the board shape. So we will go to View, Board Planning Mode, then from Design, Edit Board Shape. Then we will change the board size to fit the component. Now we want to draw the cover tracks between the component. So we will go to Route, Auto Route, then All. Now we will select Route All. Now we want to add a polygon to the circuit. So from Tools, Polygon Board, Polygon Manager, then from New Polygon From, we will select Board Outline. Now we will connect the polygon to the ground. Then we will remove the dead cover. After that, we will select Bore Over All Same Net Object. Then Apply. OK. To see the board in 3D mode, we will go to View, 3D Layout Mode. So this is the final shape we got. Hopefully this video will be useful for you, and thank you for listening.
This video is brought to you